Second method that we're going to talk about to actually be able to solve a system of linear equations is called substitution. Substitution is the method of solving because you solve one of the equations for one of the variables and then you plug it back into the other equation. Essentially, by doing this, you're canceling out one of the variables. So since you solve for it, you plug in for it, you end up solving in first for either x or y, and then you have to plug it back into one of your equations to actually figure out what the other value is. So in this first example, we have y equals 6x minus 11, negative 2x minus 3y equals negative 7. This is already solved for y equals. So this stuff, this 6x minus 11, is actually going to go right here and be substituted into the y in the other equation. So we're going to have negative 2x minus 3 times the quantity 6x minus 11 equals negative 7. So we have to use our solving equation skills. We're going to have to distribute this negative 3. So I'm going to get negative 2x, negative 3 times negative 6x is negative 18x, and negative 3 times negative 11 is positive 33. This is still going to equal negative 7. Combining your like terms, you get negative 20x plus 33 equals a negative 7. Subtract the 33 from both sides, and you get negative 20x equals negative 40. Divide by negative 20, and you learn that x is 2. You're not done, though, because you only have the first part of the ordered pair. You only have the x value. So you have to plug this back in to one of your equations and actually figure out what y equals. Since the first one is already solved for y, we're going to do y equals 6 times 2 minus 11. 6 times 2 is 12, and 12 minus 11 is just 1. So our point of intersection for this system is the point 2, 1. Now obviously we can go back and check this on the graphing calculator, but it's not necessary. Let's take a look at number 2 as well. We already have this one is solved for y equals, so I'm going to go ahead and plug that into the other equation. 2x minus 3 times x minus 1. The x minus 1 goes in place of the y. It's substituted in for the y. Distribute your negative 3. Combine your like terms. Subtract the 3 from both sides. And divide by negative 1, so your x is a positive 4. Go back, y equals 4 minus 1, so y is equal to 3. Your ordered pair, that's your solution of this system, is the ordered pair 4, 3. That's how you do substitution problems.